Hey guys, so far YouTube has been this incredible journey for me and my personal brand, and I want to share with you guys what I've learned growing from 0 to 1,000 subscribers. Alright, first, it's really hard. Really, it's been hard. Come on back, it's okay. It's okay, where are you going? Okay. If you're still here, I haven't lost you. Let's move on to the second one. Besides it being hard, you need data. Data is so important. And when I say data, what I mean is feedback from your videos. You have to look at your analytics. You can see all kinds of things from the analytics. It seems so boring. Here are some things that you can see from the analytics. You can see what percentage of people are clicking the video that see it. If 100 people see it, you can see, do 10 people click it? Do 15 people click it? Does one person click it? YouTube even shows you where people drop off in your video, how you retain those people throughout your video. There's no way for you to dive in and look at this data if you don't have videos. You need to create at least 100 videos. You probably heard this before from other creators. 100 videos, like your first 100 videos are gonna suck. But you have data. Once you have 100 videos and you start getting a few views, you can now look at that data and see how can you improve. It's also gonna take your first 100 videos to find your voice. What do I mean by that? Like, you're not even gonna be comfortable until you make 100 videos. Maybe you've never been on camera before, or maybe you're not comfortable with how to process the structure, to use a teleprompter, to use bullet points. How do you figure out your content of what you're talking about? Like, these are all things to work out. How are you gonna plan the video? Like, it's gonna take you 100 videos just to figure this stuff out. This is one of the more important things I'm gonna say in this video of what I've learned. You have one simple goal. That simple goal is to get people to click on your video and watch it, and to watch the video for as long as possible. That's it. That's your goal. Get people to view more videos and watch them longer. If you can do that, you are in a good relationship with YouTube, who's owned by Google. It's a win-win. That's their goal, so that should be your goal. The next thing that I learned is that you never know where these opportunities can take you. I had no idea. So I've already had sponsorship opportunities on my channel that just crossed 1,000 subscribers. So how cool is that? That I got paid to make content that is in my niche, and it's what I would have made anyway. I was able to craft some content for a brand that I know, like, and trust. Also, I now have all this content that I've been able to embed on my blog that a few years ago I wasn't even thinking, oh, I can use this video content for my blog. There's all these beautiful consequences of creating a lot of content that you don't even see right now, and so that's been another takeaway for me. Another biggie is, like, I thought that I had everything that I needed to make good enough videos to get watched, viewed, shared, whatever, and I realized I don't know jack doo-doo. I know nothing. So as part of my research, I went back and watched some of my older videos. Oh my gosh, they made me cringe, man. Like, I would clearly click away from the videos that I was watching, so how could I not expect others to click away from the videos? I had so many vocal fillers, I had so much space in the videos that I didn't cut out, and now I try to spend extra time. I go through 3 rounds of edits to cut out the chunks, cut out the fluff in the video so that you're just watching action-packed, exactly what you need, important content. I also found out that when I put in intro, the little intro video, I had like 30 to 50% drop off of that. Well, one, it was so long. It was like a 15-second little clip, and people don't have time to see me and some pictures and some music, even though it's kind of cool. It's cool to me. It looks professional. People don't have time. If you're going to use one of those, which I will again, you'll see me use it in the future, it will be like 3 seconds. It's like a 3-second bumper trailer just to get you straight into the content. I had no idea it was killing me until I looked at the analytics and discovered, oh my gosh, everyone's dropping off from this. I realized that I needed to step up my editing game. I wasn't using any picture overlays or any B-roll footage to help out with the video, so like it kind of made them boring, like talking head videos that just didn't really change or adjust. And so unless someone really was just coming to my video to just learn something intent, that's the only way that they would stay. Otherwise, I think people would just get bored, and they've kind of dipped out of my videos. And while my story is important about being an entrepreneur, trying to support other entrepreneurs, other hustlers, and help you guys make income, and how I think life's an adventure, how I think we should not think outside the box but destroy the box, I have to be careful about that when I introduce that, right? Because if I go on too long, you're not interested, you're out. But so how can I find ways to briefly introduce my story so you can see, hey, do you want to connect with me or not? That's something I've found. You're gonna need to be patient when growing your YouTube channel. So don't wind down your videos at the end like you're ending. People will just disappear. You need to just tell them to go watch this next video about how living in the present and living in this current moment will actually help them to grow their YouTube channel. See what I did there?